Running a complex, multi-phase project is a completely different job than handling a daily service repair. Large installations and equipment rollouts using spreadsheets and disconnected systems from the rest of your service business can be difficult to manage, and often, projects fall behind schedule. With Fieldpoint, you get a modern project management system designed to keep you on schedule and hitting all your milestones until the project is complete. Have a complete home for all your projects in one system. From high-level schedules to the smallest daily tasks, see exactly where every project stands. Whether you're managing a single installation or nationwide rollout, you get a clear view of your entire project portfolio. Building a project is simple. Break down complex jobs into manageable, multi-phase projects with specific tasks assigned to each stage. From site survey to decommissioning to main installation and final inspection, you can create structure in your projects that guides you from start to finish, giving you obtainable milestones to hit along the way. Now you can track your progress at every stage and ensure each phase is completed and billed for before moving on. Set up custom billing triggers to ensure your invoices go out exactly when they should, whether it's hitting a specific milestone, reaching a percentage of completion, or even a preset date. For larger scale construction or industrial work, we also fully support AIA billing, giving you the heavy-duty financial tools to manage your cash flow throughout the entire project lifecycle. Fieldpoint's project management system lets you build detailed estimates directly into your projects and track them in real time against your actuals. Monitor costs as they happen and get a clear understanding of how your projects are performing right now, not weeks after they've closed. This visibility gives you the data you need to quote more accurately, protect your margins, and win more profitable business in the future. By managing your entire project lifecycle in one system, you're building a smarter, more profitable service business. Gain total visibility into every milestone and margin in a modern software built for your growth. Ready to see what a modern, high-growth project management system looks like for your team? Let's get started.